Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a press release with PRWeb, full guide step by step clearly. To create a press release with PRWeb, first, visit the PRWeb website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the option to create a new press release. Begin by entering a compelling headline that captures your audience's attention. Next, write a strong subheadline that supports your main headline. Proceed to the body section where you will provide detailed information about your news. Start with the most important information in the first paragraph. Include additional details in the following paragraphs, elaborating on the who, what. Make sure to include quotes from key individuals to add credibility. After composing your release, add relevant multimedia elements, such as images or videos, to enhance your message. Check the formatting to ensure it is clean and professional. Review your press release for any grammatical errors or typos. Once satisfied with the content, choose your distribution options. Decide on the press release package that best fits your needs. Fill out the necessary information for distribution, including target geographic areas. Before finalizing, review the pricing details and confirm the payment method. After completing the payment, submit your press release for distribution. Monitor the performance of your release through the PRWeb dashboard. Analyze engagement metrics to assess the impact of your press release. Keep track of any media coverage or responses that arise from the distribution. This process will help you effectively create and distribute a press release using PRWeb. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.